In this video, I'll show you how to create a zebra stripes table using the straight table chart in Qlik Cloud. First, from the Asset panel, select Custom Objects and drag the straight table into your sheet. Let's start by adding some data to the table. Next, go to the Appearance section, click on Styling, then open the Chart tab and turn on the Zebra Stripes option. Now let's customize the colors. For odd rows, we'll keep the default text color and set the background to light gray. For even rows, we'll use a light blue background. And that's it! You now have a zebra stripes table. You can also customize the table header. We'll change the header background color to blue and the font color to white. You can also adjust the font size. Finally, let's customize the totals row. We'll set a green background and change the font color to white. And here's the result: a clean, readable zebra stripes table in Qlik Cloud. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.